Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Moroccan cuisine, and we've got a fascinating dish to share with you. You might have heard of Moroccan tagines and couscous, but have you ever heard of Moroccan spinach salad? Well, get ready to discover some unknown facts about this incredible dish. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon, so you never miss out on our delicious food explorations. Now, let's get started. The origins. Our story begins in the heart of Morocco, a country known for its rich culinary tradition. The Moroccan spinach salad, also known as salade d'épinards, has deep-rooted origins in the country's diverse history. It's a fusion of Berber, Arab, and Mediterranean influences, resulting in a salad that's both vibrant and nutritious. Unique ingredients. What sets Moroccan spinach salad apart is its unique combination of ingredients. It starts with fresh spinach leaves, which are the star of the show. Then come the aromatic spices like cumin and coriander, which infuse the salad with a tantalizing flavor. Preparing the salad. But here's the unknown fact. This salad often includes unexpected ingredients like toasted almonds and juicy oranges. The sweet and nutty elements create an exquisite balance with the earthy spinach, making it a taste sensation you won't forget. The dressing. Moroccan spinach salad features a zesty dressing made with a base of olive oil and freshly squeezed lemon juice. This dressing not only enhances the flavors but also adds a healthy touch to the dish. And here's the secret twist: some recipes include a touch of honey in the dressing. The honey complements the citrusy notes of the lemon and adds a delicate sweetness that truly surprises your taste buds. Nutritional benefits. Besides being incredibly flavorful, Moroccan spinach salad is packed with nutritional benefits. Spinach, the primary ingredient, is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, including iron and calcium. It's also low in calories and high in antioxidants, making it a superfood for your health. The almonds provide healthy fats and protein, while the oranges offer a dose of vitamin C. So, not only is this salad delicious, but it's also a nutritional powerhouse. Serving and presentation. When it comes to presentation, Moroccan spinach salad doesn't disappoint. It's often served in a large bowl, garnished with pomegranate seeds and fresh mint leaves. The vibrant colors make it a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. This salad is a fantastic side dish for Moroccan feasts or a refreshing appetizer on a warm day. It's versatile and can be tailored to suit your taste buds. Regional variations. One intriguing aspect of Moroccan spinach salad is that it varies from region to region within Morocco. In the coastal regions, you might find seafood like grilled shrimp or sardines added to the salad, giving it a unique coastal twist. In the mountainous areas, they often incorporate preserved lemons, which adds a tangy kick to the dish. This diversity in regional variations showcases the versatility of Moroccan cuisine and how local ingredients influence the preparation. Cultural significance. Moroccan spinach salad isn't just about the flavors. It carries cultural significance too. In Morocco, meals are often seen as a time for family and friends to gather and connect. This salad, with its communal serving style, embodies that spirit of togetherness. It's not uncommon to see large bowls of Moroccan spinach salad being shared among loved ones during festive occasions and celebrations. Easy to make at home. Now, you might be thinking, can I make this delicious salad at home? Absolutely. One of the best things about Moroccan spinach salad is that it's surprisingly easy to prepare. You don't need advanced culinary skills, and you can easily find the ingredients at your local grocery store. So, it's a great recipe to try out and impress your family and friends. Serving suggestions. When serving Moroccan spinach salad, consider pairing it with other Moroccan dishes like chicken tagine or lamb couscous for a complete Moroccan feast. You can also serve it alongside some warm, crusty bread to soak up that delicious dressing. This salad pairs well with a variety of dishes and can be adapted to suit different tastes and dietary preferences. There you have it, folks, the unknown facts about Moroccan spinach salad. A delightful blend of history, unique ingredients, and nutritional goodness, This dish is a must-try for anyone who loves exploring world cuisines. If you enjoyed learning about this hidden gem of Moroccan cuisine, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your food-loving friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting food adventures from around the globe. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep cooking, keep exploring, and keep savoring the flavors of the world. Goodbye.